Jai Shri Ram. Drushtiputam nyaset padam. Look before you leap. Whatever decision you want to take, don't take knee jerk. Knee jerk reactions are dangerous. Think well. Take a lot of time. Analyze thoroughly. But once you take a decision, stick to that. So, Drushtiputam nyaset padam vastraputam pibet jalam. Okay. Strain water and purified water. Be careful what kind of water you are drinking. Vastraputam pibet jalam. Shastraputam vaded vakyam. Shastraputam vaded vakyam. This is a very important sentence with a very profound meaning. So, my interpretation is Shastraputam vaded vakyam means speak what Krishna teaches. Okay. Krishna gave 6 Gitas. Okay. Bhagavad Gita 745 slokas, and then next comes Shanti Gita 345 verses. Then came Anugita, which is 1040 verses. Then came Uttara Gita. Uttara Gita is 122 verses. In between, Kama Gita was given to Yudhishthira, 22 verses, that is the shortest. And then at the end, Uddhava Gita, 1100 verses. So, besides all this, lots of other statements Krishna makes in Mahabharata and many other Puranas. So, speak what Krishna teaches. And Shastraputam Vaded Vakyam can also mean, if you regularly chant Bhagavad Gita, Hanuman Chalisa or Sundarakanda or whatever, your speech will acquire certain power. Vak Siddhi and Vak Shakti both are attained. Purity and the power of speech, the power of rhetoric, the ability to convince people, and your speech will acquire a certain power which will ensure that people follow what you say. And Vak Shakti actually means whatever you utter will actually come true. So Vak Siddhi, Vak Shakti are attained. Shastraputam Vaded Vakyam. So please chant every day Hanuman Chalisa, and if possible Bhagavad Gita, a few verses every day. So regular reading and chanting of Gita and Hanuman Chalisa purifies speech and confers power. Shastraputam vaded vakyam. Manah putam samacharet. Manah putam samacharet. Whatever you do as an activity, karma, it should be done with a pure mind, pure heart. No malice, no intention to harm anybody. Manah putam samacharet. Jai Shri